Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport Altitude in black clear coat with automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 37,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, Command Trap part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7530.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.